Greetings and welcome to another installment brought to you by Mohamed Al-Marzooqi, Advocates and Consultancy, leading legal experts. Filing a false report crime. Some of the bad parts of our society can become involved in the crime of filing a false report. This is due to their ignorance, immaturity and poor knowledge of laws. Legislators and authorities have consistently encouraged individuals to cooperate with them in executing the law by reporting any violations and to act responsibly regarding crimes and violations they may see or hear and inform the authorities. This cooperation demonstrates a true partnership between the people and the authorities to protect society and to ensure its security and stability. This does not mean that the process of reporting a crime is to use with the aim of harming others and their reputation. In fact, false report confuses the authority, meaning they've wasted their time in investigating crimes and violations that did not occur. Legally, we can define that the false report as deliberately informing the judicial authority or the administrative authorities falsely with an issue that attributes a punishable act to a particular person with the intention of harming his reputation and honour. Accordingly, the false report is a crime if it has the following basic pillars, which are the report of the communication with the issue of a penalty if it actually occurred, the authority receives the report or one of the public authorities in the state, and the report is false. The legislator considers the false report as a punishable crime according to Article 275 of the Penal Code number 3 1987 and as amended. Any person who informs a judicial authority or the administrative authorities of accidents or dangers that do not exist or of an offence which he knows has not been committed shall be punished by an imprisonment for a period not exceeding 6 months and by a fine or by one of these penalties. Article 276 defines a penalty of any person who falsely informs the public authorities with bad faith in order to harm others or fabricates material evidence that a person has committed a crime while he knows that the individual is innocent. Provision of the article is the individual will be sentenced to detention and or to a fine whoever falsely and with bad faith makes a false report to the judicial or administrative authorities that a person committed something which deserves a criminal penalty or an administrative sanction, even if it did not entail filing a criminal or disciplinary action, as well as whoever fabricated false material evidence that a person has perpetrated a crime or caused taking legal measures against the person knowing that he is innocent. The legislator makes use of the penalty both imprisonment and fine if the false crime is a felony. In the case of the ruling with punishing the wrong person as a result of the false report, the slanderer this case shall be punished with the penalty of the wrong person. The article states that in the case that the false accusation results in inflicting a felony penalty, the slanderer shall be sanctioned to the same adjudged penalty. It should be said at the end of this article that UAE legislator have worked on enactment of the laws that deter anyone who files a false report, regardless of his intention. The punishment is equal at each time with the extent of the harm suffered by the wrong person. This message is brought to you by Mohamed Al-Marzuqi, Advocates and Consultancy. We do have offices in Dubai and Abu Dhabi. Please contact us for your consultation. Alternatively, you can visit our website, which is www.ml-advocates.com.